Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Cats!
Happy birthday, Cats!
We miss you!
Enjoy! See you soon!
Hi Cats! Happy birthday! Thank you for 25 years of friendship and since high school pa pala tayo noon. I wish you all the best in life. I miss you. Sana makauwi ka na dito sa Philippines and makapag-catch up tayo. I love you!
Hi Katsi, happy birthday! Musta ka na? Ito kami, ganito pa rin. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo at maging masaya, magandang kalusugan, tsaka mahalin mo ang pamilya mo. Happy birthday Katsi! Thank you!
Mangga, hinog ka na ba? Hi, Cats! Happy birthday! I hope your day is as amazing as you are. I hope you will enjoy this day. And I know you will be spending this day together with your family, friends, and loved ones. I wish you love, peace, and happiness. Thank you for the friendship we have, for the memory we share together, for bringing so much joy, love, and laughter, for the chismes every morning. And I hope our friendship will grow more so that we can share more memories and we can chika more. And ingat ka palagi. I miss you so much. I hope to see you very, very soon, either dyan sa Canada or dito sa Pilipinas. Happy birthday! Mwah! I love you.
Hello, Kat! Happy birthday! Oh.
Ang wish namin sa iyo is stay pretty and enjoy life in Canada.
And good health.
And good health.
Okay, manatili ka maganda, ha?
Miss you!
Miss you! Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Kat! Happy birthday! Naku, ang tagal na natin hindi nagkwentuhan. Anyway, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. And I'm so happy na nandyan na kayong lahat. I'm so happy you had your family. I'm so happy na you're very, very successful there. Happy birthday. God bless you all.
Hi, Cat! Happy 40th birthday! Welcome to the club! Stay calm! God bless! Enjoy!
Hi Kathleen, how are you? How's life treating you? How's everything with you? Wish you very happy birthday and luck and prosperous life ahead. And hope you receive all the happiness because you deserve more than that. You still your son beautiful or no? Are you growing old? Are you 40? You're growing old, darling. Anyways, I'm not growing old. I'm going to be young forever. Anyways, I miss you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Once more, wish you happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Kat! Miss you! Balik ka na dito sa Dubai. Ingatan ko palagi.
Hi, Katie! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Wish you all happiness. Be happy. Keep smiling. And make them grow fast.
Hi, Kathleen Joy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ga! I miss you so much. I miss you really. Ngayong birthday mo, wish ko lang lahat ng prayers, lahat ng mga wishes, lahat ng dinidesire ng heart mo matupad. Kasi deserve na deserve mo yun. You have the best heart. You are the most beautiful soul. Ikaw isa sa pinaka-selfless na tao na nakilala ko. And I always thank the Lord sa life mo kasi ikaw yung unang nakilala ko during my first job sa Dubai and sobrang blessed ako na kayo ni Ate Mitch yung unang mga tao na nag-guide sa akin. No toxicity, no dramas, lahat positive energy lang. And I thank the Lord for that. Ga, I miss you so much. Sana matupad lahat ng mga dreams natin in life. And I wish na sana one day magkasama tayo ulit. Maybe hindi sa work, pero really sana magkasama tayo ulit. I miss you so much. And I wish you all the best for you, for Ivan, and for Didin. And sana kita-kita tayo soon. I love you. I miss you so much. Bye. Love, love.
Happy birthday, Kat. Wishing you all the best and sana matupad lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo ngayong taon na to. And never stop shining and being the amazing friend that you are. And have the best birthday ever. Love you, miss you.
Happy birthday, Kathleen Auntie. God bless you. Have a good day.
I wish you a good birthday.
Well, have a good day.
Have a good day.
Happy birthday, Kathleen. God bless you. See, just now I'm going home from the clinic where you are working. I miss you a lot. Let's celebrate your birthday. Let's join Dr. Amina Clinic again. Again, happy birthday to you.
Hi, Ate Kat. Happy 40th birthday. Miss you. Look. Miss mo na yan? Miss mo na yan? Baby. Miss mo na yan? Keep safe. Love, love.
Hi, Kat! It's the time of the year when I usually visit you here in Dubai. And it's been 2 years now since the last time I've seen you. Anyway, here's for your special day. 40 years and still going strong. Remember always that your journey is as important as your destination. I wish you more years to reach all your dreams. Happy birthday, Kat! I miss you and I'll see you soon in the US of A. Love you!
Hello, Faye. It's me, Dee. Happy 40th birthday. Grabe, parang nasa late 20s lang. Hindi tumatanda. Vampira yarn. Anyways, it's been a while since yung last usap natin. I hope makadalaw kayo kahit paano sa Pinas. Hopefully din kung makapunta dyan, sana pagpalain. Ayun. I really miss you. God bless you and your family, pati na rin kina Mama Am and Achi Gretchen family. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy 40th.
Happy birthday, Cats.
Ang dali yung kaulit.
Okay nga, mas maganda para ano. Okay, masabay na tayo. 1, 2, 3. Happy 40th birthday, Cats. We're so happy sa success na nakuha mo sa family, sa career, tsaka syempre sa health mo. We're very happy for you and hopefully we'll see you soon together with your family. Ikaw, ano pang sasabihin mo kay Katsi?
Wala lang. God bless.
God bless.
And I love you, Katsi.
Love you, we miss you. So, see you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. Teka lang, yung noo ko ang laki. Sana laging happy and payapa ang puso mo. And I miss you. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, Auntie Cats. 我是郑庭伟。你还记得吗 ？I'm Zeke. 生日快乐 ！Happy birthday, Auntie Cats. I hope to see you soon. I love you. Mwah.
Hi. Hi, Cats. Happy 18th birthday. 40th birthday. Welcome to Cougar World. Ano ba masasabi ko? Siyempre, miss na kita, no? Na-miss yung mga gala natin sa Pilipinas na kahit saan tayo magpunta, alam mo naman, kalad ka rin tayo pareho. Anyway, ano bang i-wish ko sa'yo? Siyempre, good health. Lagi kang pag-ingatan ng Panginoon, of course. Lagi kang magdadasal. And hopefully, magkita tayo one day sa Pinas. Wag na dito sa malamig na bansa. Happy 18th birthday. 40th pala, sorry. Don't worry, hindi naman halatang 40 ka na. Basta, I miss you all. Mag-ingat kayo palagi. Kiss mo na lang ako kay Dean. Enjoy ka. Happy birthday.
Hello, 家人。Once a wise girl, pretty girl told me, Pichen, why are you so old? That was 10 decades ago. Right now, I'm going to greet you. Happy birthday, 家人. Happy 40 years old birthday. Wow, you are so young. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy 40 years old birthday.
God bless you. God bless you and your family. We miss you. Bye. See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.